Okay, question 2, differentiation. So a curve C has equation y equals x squared minus 2x minus 24 root x, where x is greater than 0. Part 1 wants us to find dy by dx. Okay, so first up then, let's rewrite the equation as y equals x squared minus 2x minus 24x to the power of a half. And then a part 1 dy by dx is going to be 2x minus 2. Now minus a half times 24, or minus a half times minus 24 is minus 12. And then we get x to the minus 1 half. So that's dy by dx. A part 2 wants d squared y by dx squared. So second derivative is going to be 2. Now, the minus 2 in the middle disappears, so then minus 12x to the minus 1 half, well, the minus 1 half comes down and multiplies minus 12, so that's going to give us positive 6. And then the power is going to be x to the minus 3 halves. Cool. Part B wants us to verify that C has a stationary point when x is equal to 4. So that's 2 marks. So for B, if there is a stationary point at x equals 4, dy by dx will equal 0 when x is 4. So let's see what happens then when x is 4, dy by dx is equal to 2 times 4, which is 8. So we get 8 minus 2 minus 12 over root 4. Because x to the minus 1 half means 1 over root x. So we get minus 12 over root 4. What is that? Sorry, minus 12 over root 4. So we got 6 minus 12 over 2, which is 6, which gives us 0. Therefore, there is a stationary point when x is equal to 4. Okay, then part C wants us to determine the nature of this stationary point, giving a reason for your answer. So let's substitute x equals 4 into our second derivative. So when x is equal to 4, d squared y over dx squared is equal to, okay, so it's going to be 2 add 6 over the square root of 4 cubed. So it's going to be 2 add 6 over the square root of 4 cubed. Again, the square root of 4 cubed comes from this power of minus 3/2, so that means 1 over x cubed square rooted. Okay, so that is going to give us 2 add 6 over 4 cubed is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So we got 2 add 6 eighths, which is 2 3/4. Now, what's important about that is that it is greater than 0. So, d squared y by dx squared is greater than 0 when x is equal to 4. Therefore, there is a minimum at x equals 4.